On the fateful morning of April 26, 1986, in the heart of the Ukrainian Soviet Socialist Republic, a catastrophic event unfolded at the Chernobyl Nuclear Power Plant. The plant's fourth reactor, undergoing a test to simulate emergency cooling conditions, experienced an unprecedented power surge. This, in turn, triggered a series of mechanical failures and steam explosions that ruptured the reactor's integrity. The operators, unaware of the catastrophe unfolding before them, continued their desperate attempts to bring the reactor under control. The situation rapidly deteriorated, with a massive plume of radioactive material billowing into the sky, dispersing across Europe. As the news of the disaster spread, the Soviet authorities struggled to contain the spread of information. Fear and speculation gripped the local population, as they were left in the dark about the true extent of the disaster. Meanwhile, scientists and technicians from around the world were called upon to help manage the crisis. They faced immense challenges, as they raced against time to prevent a larger catastrophe. The aftermath of the Chernobyl disaster was a bleak landscape of destruction and despair. Thousands were evacuated from the surrounding areas, leaving behind their homes and livelihoods. The exclusion zone, established to protect the population from the radioactive fallout, remains uninhabited to this day. The Chernobyl disaster serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of nuclear power and the need for vigilance and safety measures to prevent such a catastrophe from occurring again. It is a lesson etched into history, a testament to the power of science gone awry, and the resilience of humanity in the face of adversity. In the years that followed, the Chernobyl exclusion zone became a haunting symbol of the disaster, a ghost town frozen in time. Yet, it also became a testament to human perseverance, as efforts were made to clean up the site and mitigate the long-term effects of the radioactive contamination. The Chernobyl disaster continues to cast a long shadow over the world, serving as a cautionary tale of the dangers of nuclear power and the critical importance of safety measures in the pursuit of technological advancement. It stands as a stark reminder of the fragility of human life and the indomitable spirit that drives us to overcome even the most daunting of challenges.